Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit. You are watching your favorite channel Corpbiz. Today, the topic of our discussion is APEDA registration. In this video, we will be telling you about what is an APEDA. What is an APEDA Act? What are the scheduled products stated under APEDA Act? What are the function of APEDA? And what are the benefits that you enjoy after acquiring the APEDA registration? What is the document that are required at the time of APEDA registration? And at last, we'll also discuss about the whole registration procedure. So let's begin the video. APEDA stands for Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority. It's a government organization established in the year 1985 with the aim of providing financial assistance, perform export promotion, provide information and guidelines toward the development of scheduled product under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Scheduled products. The product specified under the APEDA Act are called scheduled product, and the exporter of such product need to get themselves registered under APEDA. So if you are going for the APEDA registration, first of all you have to register yourself under the import-export code, and at the time of APEDA registration it has to be done within 1 month from the date of export. So if we talk about the validity period, then it's lifetime valid, means the APEDA registration validity is for lifetime until the authority decided to cancel it. So from very long we are talking about the scheduled products. So let me tell you what are the products that come under the APEDA registration. List of scheduled products provided under the first schedule of APEDA Act 1985. Meat and meat products, poultry and poultry products, dairy product, confectionery, biscuit and bakery product, honey, jaggery and sugar products, cocoa and its product, all type of chocolates, alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, cereals and cereal products, groundnuts, peanuts and walnuts, pickle, papad and chutney, gorgum, floriculture and floriculture products, and herbal and medicinal plants. Function of APEDA authorities. So now we will be discussing about the function of APEDA authority. The first and foremost function is it help in promoting the export-oriented product. Next, it help in focusing the development, the standard, the quality of the scheduled product. It help in promoting the exporters who are dealing in the scheduled product, and rest it help in expansion, growth of the industries which is dealing in the scheduled products. Benefits of APEDA registration. So now it's time to discuss about the benefits of APEDA registration. The first and foremost benefit is that the APEDA registration allows the exporter to enjoy the benefit of subsidy, which will help in the growth and development of the trade, growth and development of the export and infrastructure. Second benefit is that the exporter become eligible to attain the program that is conducted by the APEDA for the further development. Next benefit is that it provide a guideline to the exporters that how the dealing of the scheduled product is done and what is the benefit the exporter can get. And the last benefit is that the exporter is highly aware of about the trade price, about the difference going on, the infrastructure, new developments and the new techniques. So now the time is for discussion about the document that is important and that need to be submitted if you are going for APEDA registration, which are as follows. Signed APEDA registration application form, a copy of import-export code issued by the Director General of Foreign Trade, bank certificate signed by the authorities, bank account statement of the last 2 months and a cancelled check. APEDA registration process. So now at last we will be discussing about the APEDA registration process. For that you need to visit the official website of APEDA, file an application form, you have to fill all the requisite detail and attach the document that is important that needs to be submitted for the approval. Once RCMC is issued, means the registration cum membership certificate is issued. After that, the applicant means the exporter can track the application for rechecking and the status development. After that, the official will approve the RCMC and the exporter can get the license, means the registration license. So that was enough in the APEDA registration. In future, if you're planning to get a APEDA registration, then you can connect to Corpbiz for all the legal proceeding and the documentation process, because Corpbiz will make your work more simple, easy and comfortable. We'll meet soon with another informative video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Bye-bye.